Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome po sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, paghihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about multiplication of fractions. Okay, so example number 1 agad tayo. 2/3, i-multiply natin kay 3/5. Okay, so ang gagawin lang natin dito, i-multiply natin ang numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Okay, so 2 times 3, that is 6, over 3 times 5 is 15. So, i-divide lang natin yan kasi pwede pa silang ma-reduce. So, i-divide natin by 3, both numerator and denominator. So, 6 divided by 3 is 2, over 15 divided by 3 is 5. So, kapag ma-reduce pa siya, i-reduce pa. Pag hindi na, huwag na nating pilitin. So, ito na yung final answer. Next, number 2. 2 times 2 and 1 half. Okay, 2 times, yung 2 and 1 half, i-rename natin yan. Ito yung mixed number, di ba? So, i-rename natin into improper fraction. So, i-multiply natin yan si 2 times 2, tapos plus 1. So, magiging 5 over 2. Kasi 2 times 2, 4 plus 1 is 5 over 2. Okay, equals, since yung 2 is a whole number, so take note, kapag whole number siya, meron niyang over 1. Diba? So, 2 times 5, numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So, 10, tapos 1 times 2 is 2. Then, i-multiply natin yan, or i-divide natin yan. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So, ito na yung final answer. Next, number 3. Negative 2 and 1/3 multiply kay 2/5. So, ang gagawin natin dito kay mixed number na negative 2 and 1/3, i-rename na lang natin yan. So, 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is negative 7. Kasi negative yan, di ba? Over 3. Then, multiply natin kay 2/5. Si 2/5, huwag na natin i-change yan. So, equals numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So, negative 7 times 2 is negative 14. Kasi kapag mag-multiply tayo ng unlike sign, the result is negative. So, over 3 times 5 is 15. So, hindi na siya ma-reduce, meaning, ito na yung final answer. Negative 14 over 15. Next, number 4. Negative 3 and 1/3 times negative 2 and 1/5. So, i-rename na natin itong mga mixed numbers. Si 3 and negative 3 and 1/3, so magiging 3 times 3, 9, plus 1 is 10. So, merong negative, so therefore, negative 10 over 3. Okay, multiply natin dito sa kabila. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11, or negative 11 over 5. Okay, so kapag mag-multiply naman tayo ng the same sign, negative times negative, the result is positive. So, multiply natin yan, 10 times 11, so that is 110. Positive. So, 3 times 5 is 15. So, i-reduce natin ito. I-divide natin ito by, try natin by 3 or by 5. Okay, try natin ha. So, 110 divided by 5. Divide by 5, divide by 5. So, that is 2. So, 10. So, 10, then 2. So, 10, so 22. So, ito, 22 over, si 15 divided by 5 is 3. Okay? So, ngayon, ito yung improper fraction. So, ang mixed number natin dyan ay or, lagyan natin ng or, kasi divide pa natin yan. So, 22 divide natin kay 3, that is 7. Kasi 7 times 3 is 21. So, 1. So, 7 and 1/3. Okay, so ito yung mixed number. So, try natin magawing improper yan. kung pareho ba sila. So, 7 times 3 or 3 times 7 is 21 plus 1 is 22 over 3. So, the same. Okay, so ngayon, number 5 na tayo. Last example. Number 5. 4/5. Kopyahin muna natin yan. Si 4/5 times negative 2 times negative 2 and 1/3. So, negative, i-change lang natin ito into improper fraction. So, 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is negative 7. Kasi nga, negative yan, di ba? So, negative 7 over 3. Okay? Equals. So, multiply natin numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So, 4 times negative 7, that is negative 28 over 15. So, i-reduce natin yan or gawin nating mixed number. So, negative 28 divide by 15. So, negative 1. Hindi siya pwede 2 kasi 30 na, di ba? So, negative 1. So, negative 1 times 15 is negative 15. So, subtract natin. So, 3, 1. So, or negative 1 and 13 over 15. So, ito na yung mixed number. Ito yung improper fraction. Okay, so maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakisubscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.